Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do today is set your oven to 350 degrees. Grab your bowl and mixer. And then our first ingredient is going to be 2 cups of almond flour. Then our next ingredient is going to be our erythritol, and we're going to do 2/3 of a cup of erythritol. Next, we're going to do a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, unsweetened. Then we're going to do our baking powder. It's going to be 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And we'll give all of our dry ingredients a good mix. Then it's time to start adding our wet ingredients, and we'll start with 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. Next, we're going to add a couple teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then I'm just going to start going ahead and I'll mix that up a little bit, just kind of get it started before I add the rest of the stuff. Next up is going to be our melted butter. We're going to do 1/2 cup of melted butter. And then our last ingredient is our 4 eggs. So we're going to crack our 4 eggs in there, and then we're going to give everything a good mix. Once we've got everything nice and mixed, we're going to go ahead and take our cupcake pan, put some inserts in there, some liners, and we're just going to pour it in. And then we're going to take this tray and put it in our oven that's been preheating at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Just a note that this recipe did make exactly 10 cupcakes for me. After letting them cool off for a little bit, it was time for a taste test, and I must say these were incredible. They taste just like a chocolate cupcake. I didn't put any icing or anything on them, but you could. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. It turned out great, tastes great. If you guys are liking this stuff, please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching.
Excellent. There you have it, guys. Chocolate cupcakes.